Okay guys, 2010 Hyundai Sonata, and what we're looking here is we don't got fuel pump pressure. The fuel pump is not working. It's not activating the pump. So just a quick check here. I got my tool here for the bypass for the relay, and let me see if you can see this. When I turn the car to crank, it's gonna be difficult. This light should be turning on. You see, that is control. It's supplying power to the pump, and nothing is happening with the pump. So another test here that I can do with the bidirectional scan tool, fuel pump relay, and it will cycle. Sorry for the glares, guy. Start. I hope you see that light flashing there. So I'm gonna stop it. Pump is not working. The pump location is in the passenger side rear seat. I already disconnected there. Now what I want to check, knowing that my relay is good, I'm gonna put back the relay. I want to check power in that guy down there, and for that I'm gonna use my Power Pro 4 to see if I got power in the pump. I don't know guys, but to me this wire it's gotta be my let's see if I can use this guy here, my electrical plug Philip. Okay, then I'm gonna have here, see, where I can do here to leave this connected. So I can wash if I got my 12 volts there. Maybe I can do it with the scanner. The switch isn't on. Yep. I can do it with the scanner. That's a good thing about bidirectional scanner. Let's see if you got a good view there. Okay. And I'm gonna activate the pump. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys. We got the 12 volts going there. This car needs a pump. No doubt about it. Now, I'm gonna try something to see if I get it running. I'm gonna bang and display here when I try to crank the car to see if I can get that pump going, guys. So wire integrity down to the pump is good. So I'm gonna have, let me see here. This big ratchet maybe do the trick by snap-on. Okay. Give me a second, guys. Dale a ver. Okay.
¿Esa batería está buena?
Sí.
¿Y qué hay allá atrás?
La pompa. La bomba de la gasolina. Ok, dale a ver. Ok, está bien. Alright. You don't want to go. Say hello, Holly. That's my wife. She was helping me cranking the car. Alright, so this need a pump. I'm just gonna check my ground now that I got my Power Pro here to see if my grounds are good. And guys, this need a pump. No doubt about it. Yep. That's my ground there. Ground. And this is nothing now right there because that when they activate the, so power and grounds are good. This thing need a pump, guys. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. I went to DATA PIDS, and another thing that you wanna see if it is not a crank sensor signal, but I do not have to do this because it's activating my relay. The computer is seeing an RPM signal, so this number should change here. The fuel pump on here should change to on. Main relay is on right now. Fuel product status off. Throttle position full open. Engine operating status, I put that one there, but it doesn't need it. So I'm gonna crank the engine and watch the data PIDS, guy. So you see my RPMs, that means the crank sensor is working. This car needs a fuel pump, guys. There's no doubt about it. I just wanna be 100% sure.